I was doubting myself. I was so insecure. Hindi ako willing magbenta. Para sa akin, corny yung pagbebenta. Para sa akin, corny yung pagnenegosyo. Ayoko magsalita. Ayoko makipag-usap sa mga tao. Ayoko ng accountability. But in these moments, I told myself, enough is enough. I don't care about how I look. I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know what the I'm supposed to do. All I care about is I will become a millionaire for my mom. Nangyari siya in just 3 years. Because staying the same, staying timid, staying in a poor self-image is no longer an option for me. Kasi malalim na yung dahilan. So your biggest breakthrough, hindi manggagaling yan habang nakaupo ka lang nanonood. It's you telling yourself, enough is enough. Ayoko na, pagod na ako. Pagod na ako mag-commute, gusto ko na ng kotse. Pagod na ako mangupahan, gusto ko na ng sariling bahay. Pagod na ako sa ganitong trabaho, gagalingan ko, itotodo ko. Pagod na ako na lagi ko na lang iniisip na wala akong kwenta. Starting today, I will build value. I will read books. I will listen more, do more, become more, so that I can achieve more. It's a decision.